Hey folks, we are replacing a flow sensor switch. Replacing the flow sensor. That's right here, that black piece right here. Right there. Because sometimes when the water comes on low pressure, it doesn't come on. But Stiebel Eltron sent me a brand new one. This is a Tempra 24 Plus unit. And right here, you can tell by the side of what you have. Tempra 24 Plus. Hope y'all can see that. But we got to pull that pin out right there. Unscrew this, make sure the power's off, have some rags. And it's got great instructions of how everything goes. Tools required: adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers, and rags. Cut the power off and drain the water. What you do is cut the water off right here, the cold water, and then once that's shut off, then you just drain the hot water. Come in here. There you go. So the hot water's drained. So we'll get a couple rags and go from there. I'll be back here in a minute. Okay, folks, right now we got this nut down here loose right here. And then up here we got to pull that out. The little keeper. And we got unplugged from the top, as you can see. All right, back 1 second. See that nut down there? It's got a washer there too. All right, be right back. Okay, folks, here's an old switch. Doesn't look like anything's wrong with it, but hard to tell. Electronics. There's a bottom washer gets there. That sits right up above here. That's the washer goes there. Then that replace that washer also. And I got the puppy in the background barking. So that's pretty simple. We'll go back with it now. Okay, folks, we got the new pressure flow sensor, placing the flow sensor back in place. And that's what determines where your water goes through there, so you know what type of, so it turns the water tank on. A hot water tank, tankless hot water heater. Get the wires put in, the O-ring up here, this right there, that's got to get pressing out of the way. That clip. And we tighten our bolt up. You don't want to over tighten it, because it's plastic. So now we'll cut the power on. Okay. So cut this power on right here, 125 amps, 240. And shut this one on. We got power. Let's turn the water on and make sure we have no leaks. Okay. So follow me. That's what my little girl says. Follow me. All right. Okay. First we got to shut our water on. Duh. Had a brain cramp. My doggy's following me around with my little and we're gonna turn the water on. So far so good. I don't see any leaks. But yeah, that's how it goes. Check around here. No leaks. It's a good thing. Alright. And here it is when that light turns on. It means you got power. Got hot water. Oh yeah, she's working. Shut that off. Now we'll check for leaks. Now we got it under more pressure. Let's look there. Oh, no leaks. Like I said, I just snugged that up just enough. Just enough to get it sealed. It's got an O-ring in there too. Here's the old O-ring. Right here. That's the old O-ring. Oops, sorry about that. Here's the old O-ring. Washer. Rubber washer. And here's the old O-ring. And I put a little 3M on there, just a little bit around the O-ring to help it slide up in there. Because that goes up inside there. Oops. As so. The whole thing goes up inside there. So, oh well. Let's try a little test here. Well, barely cutting on. That's how that bottom barely cutting on. It wouldn't see enough pressure. And it's on. Woohoo! There we go. All done. Alright y'all, hey, I want to thank y'all for watching my video on the Stiebel Eltron unit up there, Tempra Plus 24. Thank you for watching. Alright y'all, you need more questions, comments, call them. They're great people that sent me out. It was here within like a day or 2 days, but super fast service. The Stiebel Eltron does not mess around. Great people. Alright y'all, have a great one. God bless and Semper Fi. Hoorah. And everything's going to be alright, y'all. Everything's going to be okay. So hang in there and just stay positive. Alright, y'all. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Give me a like or dislike. I know, not the best camera work in the world. Alright, y'all. I'll take care. Bye-bye.